give you an introduction and a summary of the human body systems. What are the different body systems of humans? To start with, there is the circulatory, the musculoskeletal system, the respiratory, the digestive, the integumentary, the endocrine, excretory, nervous, and reproductive system. To start with, let us first discuss the hierarchy of organization of things. First up is a single atom, coupled together with the molecules, in turn will make proteins to make cells. Aggregates of cells are called tissues. Aggregates of tissues are called organs. And organs functioning for a single body unit is called system, which in turn makes up the human. First up of the body systems is the circulatory system. The circulatory system is for the delivery of oxygen, nutrients, molecules, and hormones into the body, for the removal of carbon dioxide, ammonia, and other metabolic waste. Composed of the heart, the arteries, the veins, the arterioles, and capillaries, it delivers and collects blood from different parts of the body. Arteries supplies blood, veins collects blood. Second is musculoskeletal system. Musculo from the word muscular, skeletal from the skeletal system. The musculoskeletal system is composed of the bones, cartilage, ligaments, and muscles. It all functions into one for body support, locomotion, and structure. The following compositions are the bones, the muscles, the ligaments, and the cartilage that functions for body support for the musculoskeletal system. Third is the digestive system. The digestive system functions for ingestion, the actual eating, the digestion, the chemically and the mechanical breakdown of food into smaller nutrient molecules. Absorption is the act of absorbing those small nutrient molecules. Elimination is the process of which the excretion or the release of the bolus, which we call bolus, after it is already ingested. The digestive system is composed of the mouth, the esophagus, the small and large intestine, the stomach, the rectum, the anus, together with its three accessory organs, the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas. Integumentary system. The integumentary system is mainly composed of the skin, together with the different levels of organization. Made of skin together with the accessory structures such as the nails, the hair, and the different glands that secretes oil or watery substance to prevent friction and to prevent systems like the endocrine system, or what we call the hormone system. Now, what is the endocrine system? Endocrine system is a system of glands, each of which secretes different types of hormones directly into the bloodstream to regulate the body. Again, it releases hormones, which in turn, hormones will go to the bloodstream to regulate body activities and for body development, such as growth, development of secondary sex characteristic for females and males. It is in contrast to the excretory system, which secretes its chemicals using ducts. And it overlaps with the nervous system, brought about by the different stimuli brought about by the environment, which stimulates different cells to produce hormones or different glands of the endocrine system to release hormones. Now, what are the glands of the endocrine system? The pineal gland, the hypothalamus gland, the pituitary, the posterior and the anterior, the thyroid gland, the parathyroid gland at the back of the thyroid gland, the thymus gland, the pancreas, the adrenal glands, either be it medulla or cortex, and the gonads, like the testes for male and the ovaries for females. Now, the excretory system. The excretory system is in charge of maintaining homeostasis just like the circulatory system. Mainly, it cleans blood and different fluids of the body. It removes toxins and retains essential nutrients and fluids for the body to use, just like salt, sodium chloride, water, and other forms of liquid and nutrients that are still essential to the body. There are many nitrogenous waste that can be secreted by humans, by mammals, by birds, by insects, and any kind of in the animal kingdom. But us humans will secrete those nitrogenous waste as urine as urea, a one form of nitrogenous waste, just like uric acid and ammonia. Now, what are the parts of the excretory system? The main functional unit of the circulatory system is the kidney, which is composed of nephrons and capillaries. Now, the nephrons are the key functional units of the kidney. After the kidney, there is a large vein-like line there that is called the ureter, which in turns, from the kidney, urine travels through there through the primary storage of the urine, which is the urinary bladder. In turn, when the sphincter muscles in between the urinary bladder and the urethra causes urination already, the urine will go through the urethra. Up is the nervous system. The nervous system is an organ system containing a network of specialized cells called neurons that coordinate the actions and transmit signals between different parts of the body. As you can see, here is a neuron on the right side of the screen, composed of the dendrites, the nucleus, the cell body, and the axon, which is lined with myelin sheath for protection, and the axon terminals at the other side. There are two main types of nervous system. The central nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system, which consists of sensory neurons, just like the other one in the other slide. Clusters of neurons called ganglia and nerves connecting them to each other, to the central nervous system. So these two types of nervous system intertwine together. These regions are all interconnected by means of complex neural pathways inside the body. Now, the reproductive system. The reproductive system functions for the production of sperm and ovum. It is a system of organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of reproduction. Hormones is also important accessory to the reproductive system which stimulates the production and the growth of the gonads and the sperm and the ovum. Its key organs are the following: the ovaries for the males and the testes for the females. Finally, the respiratory system. The respiratory system mainly functions for gas exchange to maintain homeostasis and blood pH. Gas exchange, which is the inhalation of oxygen and the exhalation of carbon dioxide, which is not needed by the body. Homeostasis, again, just like the excretory system, and blood pH. Why is it important to maintain a normal blood pH? If the blood is too acidic, it will be too costly for the body to use and for the body organs to circulate it with. It is composed of the nasal cavity, the nose, the pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli. As you can see in the diagram on your right, the oxygenated blood goes to the heart from the alveoli, which in turn is the site of blood and gas exchange. Gas exchange through the capillaries. The alveoli with the blood picks up oxygen and exhales carbon dioxide from the blood. As you can see on your right panel, pulmonary venule is located there, and the bronchus and the bronchioles. and the alveoli are like grapes coupled together, covered by the smallest blood vessels called capillaries.